top 5 luxury helicopters ranked by features. 1. Augusta Westland AW101. Seating capacity 30 passengers, range 1,360 kilometers. Ideal for large group transportation with luxurious features. 2. Airbus H225 Super Puma. Seating capacity 4 passengers, range 5,500 kilometers. Best for corporate travel and special missions. 3. Sikorsky S. Capacity 19 passengers, range 919 kilometers. Known for its reliability and premium comfort. 4. Bell 525 Relentless, 16 passengers, range 926 kilometers, features a modern and stylish design. 5. Eurocopter EC155, seating capacity 12 passengers, 857 kilometers, perfect for small groups with a luxury touch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and share it with your friends.